Hi, this is Tom Arbuthnot, and we're here at Enghouse, and we're talking about contact centres and Skype for Business. And joining us is Adam. Adam, do you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, I'm Adam Gent. I'm a consultant at Enghouse and a fellow Microsoft Secretary with Tom. And I look after a lot of our Skype for Business products and projects.
Great, thanks Adam. Today we're going to look at Enghouse's attendant console for both Skype for Business Server and Skype for Business Online Cloud PBX.
Yeah, so we released the attendant console a couple of weeks ago at Enterprise Connect as part of the whole Microsoft new additions to the Cloud PBX, where they're in-house call groups, which was the key feature we needed to allow call queuing in Skype for Business online. So the attendant console is pretty much the same whether you run it on-premise or in the cloud. Functionality-wise, it's no different. So if you're in that migration phase, you're planning on going to the cloud. Use on-premise today, no user retraining. It's just a back-end change.
So this is like the kind of busy receptionist type scenario where they're fielding multiple calls.
It is. So multiple calls, maybe coming in for different external numbers, so maybe a sales number, maybe a support number, maybe a marketing number, or even if you're one organisation that has different brands. So you may enter one as Modality and one as Modality Labs, for example, depending on what you're doing, or what is PGI.
Right. So the receptionist knows to answer hello Modality Labs. Or
Yeah,
Modality
exactly.
Systems.
So when it comes up, we say what queue it's coming on, essentially.
Yeah.
So you can set that to whatever you want it to be. And that's what we announce out to the people. And that works really well. It's a really easy to use way of answering a call and finding a call treatment, be that answering the person's query, like what is your address. You can put them on hold as well, or whether you then just want to transfer them. So if a call comes in for yourself, they can transfer it to you, and that can be, if it's a nice receptionist, it'd be a nice consultative transfer saying, do you want to talk to this salesperson? And you can say yes or no. Or they can make it a very abrupt blind transfer and just dump it on the extension.
Yeah.
At which point it's 50-50 whether you answer or not, because it's a number you don't recognise.
And then so with Cloud PBX, everything's in the cloud.
Yeah.
So how does this work? How does it work with Cloud PBX?
So the only Cloud PBX direct feature we use is the call groups, which was released a week or two out of preview.
Yep.
And that's pretty much supported in every country where they support pure enterprise voice in the cloud. So we do have to just deal with the Microsoft limitations, but they'll start.
Yeah. So if there are call queues and service numbers.
Yeah, if you can use them, you're absolutely fine. And the great thing with the service numbers is that even if you're in the UK, you can get service numbers for a whole host of different countries. So you can get that low-cost call entry into your business.
I think it's about something like 60 countries lined up the other day.
Yeah, so it's a great list of countries to use.
So a UK receptionist or attendant, whatever you want to call them, could be answering for Spain and France and other places.
Yeah, exactly.
And they could even have a call queue that says, this is Spanish, so you can answer in Spanish language.
Yeah, exactly. So that will come through, they can use it. So that's the only part of the cloud feature we use. Everything else is just dependent on your desktop.
Right, so client-side stuff, so no servers to run.
Yeah, no configurations. Yeah, just a cloud configuration, all through the link control panel in the cloud, and it's just done.
And so by that rationale, it's going to work anywhere as well. It's not you could be on corporate network, off corporate.
Oh, correct. Anywhere that you can receive a call through your desktop Skype for Business client, this will work. So yeah, whether you're on a VPN, whether you're on an edge server, whether you're on the corporate network, doesn't matter. You could be on the beach for all we care.
Well, the business might care, but for the receptionist,
well, they might do, but it'd be quite nice when the sun's out.
Yeah.
So yeah, it can be anywhere.
Cool.
When Modality Australia take their trip to the beach days, they can answer calls. It's not a problem. Yeah. They just may need a bigger generator next time. But apart from that, not an issue.
Cool. And so how can people find out more or try this stuff out?
So they can go to our website, enhouseinteractive.co.uk. There's a link on there. They can just hit the download button, download, install it, comes with a 30-day trial. I think we asked for kind of your name and your company details just so that it goes into our system. But try it for 30 days and use it. It literally takes less than a minute to install. Click next 6 times. And you don't even need to put a response group or a call queue in there. If you want to trial it really easy, just install it and put a call into your EV number.
Oh, that's clever. So you don't. So even if you're not the Skype administrator, you could try this just to get a feel for what the UI
So if you run a busy reception area and you want it and you've got permissions to install it, you need no real overhead or bandwidth from your IT department to do this, at least to try, see it, and hopefully it'll fit for your organisation.
Great. Cool, thanks for the time. And if you have a requirement for Attendant Console, either on Skype Business Server or Cloud, definitely worth checking out the Enghouse option there and give it a try.